Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a closet declutter video for you guys, and this is probably the last time that I'm gonna have this closet because I'm switching rooms with my brother. I decided to do a closet clean out because I really need it and get rid of a lot of stuff, put more stuff on Depop. Right now it's actually 12:04 a.m. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're going to do this. So just ignore how I look throughout this video because I try to look presentable. So if you guys are interested, then let's get started. So this is the mess that is currently in my closet. We're gonna have to get rid of a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna start on this side, and this is my long sleeves jackets, sweaters I would say, and down here this is my short sleeves, tank tops, tube tops, crop tops, whatever. And then I have over here all of my sweaters, mainly like my thicker sweaters, jackets, and then I have my jeans, as you guys can see right there. This is like my little purse collection, but throughout the years or whatever, I have just put random things up here. And then the first drawer right there, those are all of my t-shirts and stuff I wear at home. The second shelf, that's my leggings, workout shorts. I have the third one is all of my shorts and just pants I wear at home. So that's the little sections for my closet that we're gonna tackle. So I don't even have a room to push, and I don't know how to do this yet, but I think I'm just gonna pull out the stuff that I'm going to be decluttering. So I think the first thing I'm gonna declutter is this green top. I think it's super cute. It's like a little crop top. So I have this pink workout top, and it's just a little bit too bright and I'm not into this anymore, so I'm just gonna sell this. So this one is a really cute crop top that I cut and I thrifted. This one I don't know if I'm gonna keep, so this will be my maybe. I'm just gonna get rid of this because I feel like I look like Steve from Blue's Clues. I have this little top from Forever 21, but this will also be my maybe. I might get rid of this because I feel like it will make me look too boxy. I have this cute like colorful long sleeve, but I think I'm going to sell this on my Depop. So I have this top, and it looks like this. It has like some like bell sleeves, and I think I'm going to put this in my maybe. There are a lot that's going to my maybe, but after I try them, they'll most likely be gone. And then I have this one, but I think it might be too big, so it's a small though, so I'm gonna put this in my maybe. So next I have a few plaid shirts. This will go into my maybe pile. I don't know if this will make me look like too much of a painter. And then this blue one, I definitely don't wear this one anymore, even though I think it's a little cute. This will go into my maybe also. And then I have this red one. This is also cute, but I don't wear this anymore, so I'm just gonna put this into my selling pile. And then I have these two like blouses. This one I'm going to sell because it's really loud, and I did wear it once and I didn't really like it. I wore it for like New Year's. I think I'm gonna keep this one just because it's really cute. And then I actually have this like two-piece set. It's like a sweater and a tank top. This will go into my maybe pile. Okay, so I have to go through my denim jackets. I actually have two hanging already in there, and they're the cropped jackets, so I'm gonna keep that. These are just like almost the same, so I have to get rid of some of them. So this one is a light blue with the Hard Rock Cafe Toronto skyline on the back, and this is really cute. I bought it from Depop, but I think this one might be the one I'm going to sell. I have one that is like distressed. I'm gonna sell this one because I never wear it. And then I have 3 that are like pretty much identical. And so now I don't even know which one to get rid of. So I'm gonna actually sell this one from Forever 21. It's a little bit fitted. And then I'm gonna keep this Calvin Klein one that I thrifted. And then this other Forever 21 one. And they're kind of similar, but I really like these two, so I'm going to keep them. Okay, the next thing I have is this soft teddy bear style jackets that I'm going to sell because I don't really like the fit of it. And then I have this like olive green jacket. I'm also going to be selling this one because I don't really wear it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have some space up there now. I hope that it doesn't get filled up by the maybe stuff. These are all the stuff I'm going to be selling / donating. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my little tank tops, and this is a section that I'm probably gonna get rid of a lot of stuff. So I know that it's kind of hard to see, but I do have some space in here. It's just that I don't wear everything. Also, by the way, I'm just gonna be decluttering. I don't feel like organizing the closet because I'm going to move closet anyways. I have this really cute like pink Eeyore and Tigger on it, and I'm just gonna sell this one. And then I have some cute corsets that I don't even know if I will wear, so they're gonna go into my maybe pile. I'm going to get rid of this little tank top or crop top. The main things I wear are like bodysuits, so I'm just gonna keep a lot of that. I have these 2 bodysuits. One is pink that I bought from I think Fashion Nova, and then the other one's like a cheetah print one. I'm gonna put this in my maybe. I have this top from Pretty Little Thing, and it's like a really cute off-the-shoulder top. It's like a mock version of one from IMGA, but I don't really like the fit of this because I think it's a little bit too big. It looks like this. So this is gonna go in my maybe, but I most likely will sell this. This shirt, I think I'm going to donate. I don't really like this one, so I think I'm just going to donate. And then I have this one. I think I'm gonna sell this one. It's a polo just like shirt. I also have this purple Nike top that I'm gonna put in my maybe because I just don't know if it'll fit me. And then I have this Harley shirt that I recently sold on my Depop, but I have another one, so this one I'm gonna sell. So now my top section, I actually got rid of a lot, probably like almost half, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's so empty. I'm gonna put my rope right here. So I'm just gonna tackle this side because I actually forgot to mention that under the jackets and sweaters, I have my shorts, my pants, and then my skirts. So this section is really full. As you guys can tell, I actually can't squeeze anything in here. So this one is a tough section because I love wearing sweaters and stuff like that. So I have this like knit sweater that I'm probably gonna donate. I'm also going to either sell or donate this one. I have this really big red half zip, and it's like from Apple, and I just think it's really cute, but I'm not gonna wear it anymore because it's really big, so I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna put this like orange sweater in my maybe pile because I don't know how I feel about this color. I have this like really thick purple / blue zip, and I think I'm gonna sell this one. I got rid of a lot of the sweaters. You guys can see the space up here. I didn't have any before, and then you guys can actually see my mess down here. I think I'm going to go through these shorts and get rid of them. I have a pair of black shorts from Forever 21, and it's really faded, so I'm gonna donate that. And then I have this really cute pair of shorts that I'm gonna put in my maybe. These are are the current shorts that I'm going to be keeping. Now I'm gonna focus on my pants. So this is the stack of pants that I'm gonna keep. And then I have a few, or like some skirts that I need to go through. I'm actually only keeping 3 right now. The rest are in my maybe pile. So now I'm gonna tackle this bin, and these are all my t-shirts. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a huge difference. I can actually stack shirts in this, and this bin is not full at all. Whereas compared to earlier, I could not stick another shirt in here. So this is a really big difference. And now I'm just gonna go through my leggings. Are my leggings, and this side is all of my long leggings, and then this one is my cropped leggings, and then this bin is all of my home pants and stuff that I actually need to declutter. So now you guys can see that this one is also much better. I didn't really fold it, so it looks like it's still full, but I promise you that it's less full. And then the most difficult part for me is the denim section. I did clean it out not that long ago, and I actually have this pair too that cannot fit in here. So I'm gonna have to declutter some of them. You guys can tell, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually have space to put them, and I actually have a few pairs in my maybe pile. So now I'm just gonna show you guys an overview of the closet. So this is the after, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but definitely the middle bins, you can tell that they're more empty, but yeah, this is so much better. So this big pile right here, this is all of the things I'm going to be selling. And then I have my big maybe pile. And then this is all of my donation pile. So ignore the mess on the floor. I have to go through the maybe pile and then see what I'm actually gonna keep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of a long one, but I'm really happy that I got to get rid of a bunch of stuff. I'm looking a little like a hot mess right now because at the beginning of this video you couldn't see the oils, but now it's like I'm so shiny and lashes are like coming off. So it's time for me to end this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and yeah, just comment down below anything you guys want, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.